Statistical independence. It is a type of unconditional probability. Occurrence of event A does not influence event B. Know that probability of A intersection B is equal to probability of A multiplied by probability of B, and probability of A given that B have already occurred, it is equal to probability of A intersection B over probability of B, which is equal to the probability of original event A. Therefore, let us cover this with an example question. Suppose 60% of driving licenses in Kenya are held by men, 30% of all driving licenses are Class A, and 10% of all men driving licenses are in Class A. Evaluate if driving licenses in Kenya are obtained by men and driving licenses Class A is statistically independent. Therefore, let A denote probability men driving license, and let B denote Class A license. Probability that a driving license is held by a man is 0.60 when we divide 60% with 100, and probability that a driving license is Class A is 0.30. Probability that a driving license is held by a man and a driving license is Class A is equals to 0.10. So in order to test for the statistic dependence, so we are supposed to take probability of A union B is equals to probability of A multiplied by probability of B, which is equals to probability of A union B, which is equals to 0.10, and our probability of A and B is 0.30. So probability of A intersection B is 0.10, which should be equal to probability of A multiplied by probability of B, which is equals to 0.10 equals to 0.60 times 0.30. So give me a minute, I look for my calculator. Therefore, .60 times 0.30 is equals to 0.18, which is not equal to 0.10. Therefore, the events are not statistically independent, which I have abbreviated with SI, because I want also to prove using the conditional probability, because we can prove by conditional probability by probability of A given B is equals to probability of A intersection B over probability of B, which should be also equal to probability of original A if it is not conditioned. So probability of A given B is equals to probability of A intersection B, which is 0.10 over probability of B, which is 0.30, which should be equals to probability of A. Therefore, 0.10 plus divided by 0.30, 0.10 divided by 0.30, which is equals to 0.33, which should be equal to probability of A, which is 0.60, which is not equal to 0.33. So the events are not statistically independent by conditional probability method. I hope the point is clear and the point I have already seen. So if you have any question, you can contact me through my email. Thank you.